Good evening, friends. Very quickly today, I will tell you the basics of the management skill. A very dear friend of mine, she has been invited as chief guest in a function where she has to deliver a talk. So she just gave me a call. She said, say something. And I was about to pack up, but still, whatever comes to mind, I'm sharing with you, my friends, and this is applicable to all. You see, there are 4 basic management skills anyone can must master to have any success in a management job. I've spoken on the management many times earlier. You can refer to my older videos. For these 4 basic skills are to plan, organize, direct, and control. And they are a very important ingredient of any thing you want to manage. First, plan. Planning is the first and the most important step in any management task. It also is the most often overlooked or purposely skipped step. While the amount of planning and the details required will vary from task to task. To skip this task is to invite sure disaster, my students, except by a blind luck. So plan is very important. That's what provides the old adage to the 6 P's of planning I've discussed earlier. You see, prior planning and preparation prevents poor performance. And the 7th P is proper prior planning prevents best poor performance. Depending on how you count. Although most people associate the term planning with general business planning, 3 different levels of planning actually exists. Strategic planning, tactical planning, operational planning. And different kinds of planning are used to achieve levels and areas of preparedness. Disaster planning, succession planning, crisis planning, compensation planning. My friends, my students, there are some simple, sample skills, I would say, that you must have to effectively plan. And these are envision a future state. Mentally organize the essential mission and vision that will move you to the future state desired. Determine an overall strategy that will achieve the future state desired. Select short-term goals and activities that will get you there. After planning, I said organize. When you organize the work, you need to determine the roles needed to accomplish the plan. Assign tasks to the roles. Determine the best resources, people or equipment for the role. Obtain the resources and allocate them to the roles. Assign resources to the roles and delegate authority and responsibility to them. Once you have planned, you're organized, then you must direct. Directing is the action step. You have planned and organized the work. Now you have to direct your team to get the work done. Start by making sure the goal is clear to everyone on the team. Do they all know what the goal is? Do they all know that their role is in what is their role in getting the team to the goal? Do they have everything they need? Resource, authority, time, etc., to do their part effectively? Remember, my dear students, very important. Pull, don't push. The basic mistakes all managers do. You have just finished your graduation degree. Always try to pull, never push. When you direct the team's work, you need to provide clear direction so the team can succeed. Make certain that team members are clear about the role they need to play, what they need to play for the team to succeed. Provide the least amount of direction to the team so the team is empowered to succeed. Provide inspiration and follow up to maintain a presence in support of the team. And ultimately, fourth factor I said, ingredient, after planning, organizing and directing is the control. Most important part of the management. Monitor the progress of the team and projects, my students. Always. Ascertain that each role is accomplished by your subordinates or your employees or your co-workers. Set standards for performance and quality. Help the team solve problems and remove barriers to their success. Help provide feedback on actions taken and remove, and then the team progresses. Provide rewards and recognition for the team's success and progress. Ultimately, my friends, make adjustment to decisions made at the planning, organizing, and directing phases as needed. I'm sure the short capsule, if you hear it clearly and grasp it correctly and implement it, there can't be a better manager than you. Thank you very much.